Welcome to this class. Today we are going to look at how we can use substitution method to solve logarithm simultaneous equation. Many students fail logarithm simultaneous equation because of lack of simple basic operation. Now today we are going to use substitution method to solve this question on the board. First step, let's substitute the value of log n and log m by let log n base 5 equal to x and log n base 5 equal to y. Therefore, from equation now turn to 4x minus y equal to 1, and then that's equation 1. And then equation 2, that'll be 5x plus 3y equal to 14. That's equation 2. Now, by substitution method, let's start with equation 1. We have 4x minus y equal to 1 minus y equal to 1 minus 4x. Change this minus to the other side. Y now turn to what? 4x minus 1. That's equation 3. Now, since we have equation 3 now, which is the value of y, but let's input the value of y in equation 2. What's equation 2 again? Equation 2 states that 5x plus 3y equal to 14. Now remove the value of y, input 4x minus 1. Then we have 5x plus 3 into 4x minus 1 equal to 14. Clear the bracket. 5x plus 12x minus 3 equal to 14. And then add the value together. 5x plus 7y and 5x plus 12x equal to 17x equal to 14 plus 3. When you move minus 3 to the other side of the equation, hence 17x is equal to 17. Therefore, x now is equal to 1. That's the value of x. Now go back to the equation 3 to obtain the value of y. What is y again? Y equal to 4x minus 1. Input the value of x there. Y now be equal to 4 into 1 minus 1. Y now be equal to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. But let's go back to our initial value. State that log n base 5 equal to x. What's the value of x is 1. Therefore, log n base 5 is equal to 1. To cancel the value, let's move 5 to the other side. N now be equal to 5 raised to power 1. N now is equal to what? 5. That's the value of n. Now for m, the same principle again. Log m base 5 is equal to y. What is y? Y equal to 3. Therefore, m now be equal to 5 raised to power 3, which is equal to 125 equal to 125.